Yes. Welcome back once more again to my channel. This is Humble Master Lifestyle and I'm here with another video. And guys, remember, with God everything is possible, and without him, guys, we are nothing. Today, guys, I'm going to show you what happened in my community. My house top my rooftop was gone, guys, but I put it on back so you can see. It only need 2 more sheets of zinc now, so I'm going to buy 2 more sheets of zinc, guys. Yeah, man. So, I'm walking down to this area, guys. Yeah. I walk over still via, so. Place one cut. Yes, man. So, I come down to my neighbor house. The rooftop gone. Right there, so. You know? So, I go down the line. Going down the line. Morning. Going down the line, guys. So these are houses in my community. This one they gone out, but they fix it, guys. So some of them blow off, guys, and then make sure they fix it. You know, bitch it up. The van pass. And something come on the corner so fast. So this church is a roofing, and the roofing blow off. Yeah. Let me see around here, so can't remember say I went one church. Oh. Yes, guys, this was a church. And the top gone. The roof gone. Hey. Very soon regain back and rebuild. Alright, guys, let's try on. Doing a walk through in the early morning here in my community. Aye. So not look like I into Miss Nelly. Miss Nelly! Aye. What happened? Melissa didn't bother you. Melissa didn't trouble you. Melissa never trouble your roof.
I will tell you so.
Eh?
You not see good. I will video.
Me not put it on you. Yeah, video me have. YouTube.
Oh. You will see it.
Yes.
You not fix up back done. Guy people say when they come back and then they come back.
They come back.
There are so many up to the ground and you know where even under there.
Oh. You get lit, man.
Wow.
Everybody get touched and coconut tree turned out.
He ain't pardon nobody.
Pardon nobody.
See your pile what do with the pile. And that breadfruit tree then you set your fireworks.
Wow. And God save the house with that birthday tree there. Yeah, man.
In that the room there.
Yeah.
In that the room and the other room. One at the side there.
Yes.
He take up the ceiling them. In the bathroom in the go there.
Yeah.
In the kitchen and the bathroom.
Yeah.
In top this steps up. And God making come.
Came back down.
So you see the partition say you will
yeah.
up.
Just like when you take off from me one. You just take off from my roof there so and can go drop it around the back. With the board them and everything. You think them? Everything. So me get them put on. So me I go use them back and go use stop leak on some of them.
Yeah.
And then when no good we don't put it back because so many get bad. And then I go buy the rest and replace it.
You know, pardon, but the only thing why not come here with?
Yes. I'm on nail.
Because I'm on nail.
I'm on nail dog no. You know come here now, I'm on nail. You hear that, guys? Well, it's not come here now, I'm on nail and just come for lift up. And sweep out and put out a door.
Yeah.
And take off roof or put where you want, put the roof there. Mango tree. Everything.
Everything. What the storeroom there so I can walk with go up at the cold cube, you know.
Yes.
I want to pass me make this up.
Okay. So go up there. Yeah.
You come when they look
when they look good because enough of the grass them a grow back and the tree leaf them a grow back. So you know look so bad. But me say when you just come through, man.
They look
you can't tell I look all bad thing of me. You can't go pan hill up this almost if almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
You see through the hill them there.
Yes.
Or the ticket them.
Some place, some people say they know say house, did they?
I think so, me say too. When they go Falmouth.
Yes, when they go Falmouth. Then say some place where they see house. Yeah, then they know say house down there. Melissa make them say house down there.
It's terrible, man.
It's terrible, man. It's terrible.
The only thing we can say, God is good.
God is good.
And we thank God
Yeah.
spare our life.
Yes, we're not lose no life in a Chilan. Yes, for me.
Then they'd after and
before
but
yes.
But in a
Melissa. Yeah.
Me know, me have no pass, you know. See when me burn one heat there so.
Yes.
I want heat burn down there.
Down there so me see it.
Me lemon tree and me apple tree.
Yeah.
Cross it. Stop the road, you
Yeah.
see out the road.
Yes.
When people they come to come see, when they catch you, so they don't know if you walk.
They don't know if you walk and turn back. Hi.
This is the busy tree and this pear tree. It's not bad.
When Gilbert rain coming on, you enough sour orange tree when they bought it. And when Gilbert come and go, no sour orange tree in Elephant.
No.
Up to now, me go here say one must have the summer over so. But all the sour orange tree them when dead out in still in it.
Gilbert never stay like
Cause something that one me when loving us so orange. Yes man, and it good for your body.
Like
no sir. Gilbert went take the whole island, but Melissa just take part and just me leave a mass destruction behind.
Melissa
you know? Yeah.
And when you come so,
okay.
Go, I mean, me don't know why I'm back. Come back, blow up again. I find do it. I spin it, I spin some man. Just so it's when it goes so, it tail and go come back again. You know what they left back at it. Me say, every pear tree and mango and coconut tree up ahead. Every tree.
Gone. Aye. I say it go. Fear house flat.
One. I want my son about a this side being flat.
Being flat too.
And the other one.
Enough people lose their house, man. Enough people lose their house. Shake up. Yeah. Said something there. But you know, but then I go help everybody one time, but we will get help quickly. God, we say we have to go make this the next time. Pull up that.
I just have to make, but we don't know.
Yeah.
Because in come Sunday night. So we don't know up to last night in job. Chicken and drinks come give me van trip to him by a KFC.
Oh, cripple down? Oh, me no see me. I might because I go start work back for me up at top there.
Really?
Because I say me have nothing to do with it, you know, because every time I come to Jamaica,
something wrong.
It's like me no want to see the house or nothing. And me no think about it. But as me catch up back, my mind go back on the house. But when me come here, you know, I know. So the pit them say them will take you over.
They'll take you over?
Yeah, me pit them say them will take you over and look about it.
That's how them they're over. So.
Because me not have no mind to feel up about it.
I've changed it, they will change your mind. They will. Sometimes, I know everything.
Yeah.
And me die and sometimes me see them on the van and they want to put it in and me down, pick up, I just see it.
Satan.
I just see it. But you don't tell God.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cancel it.
I talk to God about it, man. Yeah, man.
Tell him about it.
Can't cancel. That's true. Yeah, man. That's true, man.
You see this dirty boy I have no way to this.
Yes.
When he tell you people not, when he broke your mind to do something, you're not doing it.
Yes, it's sweet him. It's sweet him.
But if you run him away from you and move on to Jesus,
yes.
you will see how fast you go.
Yeah. All right, take care. Yeah, may I walk on a video. All right. That was Miss Nelly, guys, elder of the community. Yeah, man. She's a nice lady. Know her from way back when. Nice lady. Yeah. Melissa touch everybody, guys. Everybody in the community. in touch. Whew. I must switch for Kevin having house. Kevin house gone, so me and me here guys, but me have to be careful because you see vehicle them they run by they will lick you, then a part nobody. Yeah man. Then clap you by your look. Then clap you. Remember say you saw you want pass. Go down over there so. So maybe in this so most of the house them are damaged guys and get fixed up already. Yeah, give a pass master. Now make you itch me. Hey, where go along? Yes, Bobby. Ay ay ay. I know you see you there. You see you in there?
Run right back.
Run right back.
The house broke down complete.
Oh yo yo. Yeah. Make one look. Okay.
Come on.
If I back, you ain't go back alone. That you be say. If you back alone, would I take it? Yes, guys. So I look for one of my class mate and friend house where Melissa damaged. Yeah, man.
I know me like you start cleaning up in my place a lot. Wash.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It take down everything.
Yeah, complete. And the parlor one too. Parlor one down there so.
Yes. You see it.
Take down the whole
Take down the whole light, put it on the ground. I film it.
And the female and couldn't find him.
Because man is take a man. That's why I take a Melissa man and look for man can't find him.
Damn red girl.
English going to somebody else and sign a concrete house and dig out everything and throw out the door. Like a somebody take them and throw out the door.
Look, see both them are stealing and then pop
them
them out.
He pop them out. Melissa strong man. You see that guys? I mean, how much bedroom this?
1 bedroom and veranda.
And veranda.
Yeah, bed mash up.
Everything.
Mash up.
All
TV
the clothes.
mash up.
Everything.
And let me just take up the one in one of the tape. Then I just throw them on the fire.
Can I have some burnt, you know, because this is true for me, then wet up, then very safe, man. Put tarpaulin on top of the bed, but it's still wet up, TV and all and something. But the sheets and all of the clothes, I sort them out.
Yes.
The one them when I see mildew and a smell.
Yes, you wash
them. I wash them out, but the rest of me have to throw them
away. Yes.
But because of all of that, you know. So here we can get from me and you get from somebody else. Just stand up back strong again. You understand me? Yeah.
Yes, Lana.
Yes, man. So me help who me can help.
I have no problem. Lana, you know say that I know me problem.
Oh, pass here so can go down there.
Yes, me give mad one house fat over down there.
Okay.
Yes, Kevin in yard. So you normally where Paula live, but if Paula son this a house.
Okay.
If Paula house broke
down there.
So the next son them now they build up the wall.
Okay. Me go a little nearer.
Yes, man.
Look on for Paula too. Lord have mercy, girl. And then me say, no for my family member never tell themselves say it a coming up. And me watch one man named the Weatherman.
Yes.
And me send it on everybody what me can send it on. Me say it's coming. When them attack say turn back, I said no, it don't turn back. It was going it went go turn in a Kingston, but because the cold air come down and meet it push it back. Because you go travel part. Hi man. You go travel part warm place there. So I succumbs the keep and travel and I say my wobble in and out. In and out. I say slow down and they root up everything and they develop. Yeah man. And the last part of the storm, you know, Lana, at the middle of the year, man. Yes. I pass over here. I just feel so. Yeah. Yeah man, look how Melissa do man. Mash up people life. And I know nobody mash up fee making the look for your husband. Yes, guys. See all down the area, so me I come. Or you can come with me. It's not dark for roof. Woof. Ay, ay, ay. Me not invade them privacy, but, you know. Yeah. One thing named board. And you have zinc on top. Either you flatten it or you take off the zinc. Anything what you want to do. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. See the guys. They just are going with the rough things around them, man. They take down people over, mattress, bed, everything. Everything.
Everything wet in the land.
Everything wet. Because you run, you cannot do young thing. What you're supposed to take out there is those papers.
I said to me the night, the morning, I said, Mommy, remember to take out the H paper then tell me, turn
Yes.
back. Tie them up in a one in a bag.
Yeah,
So in
yeah.
a 2 bag plus it's up wine.
Because some people know.
Place, but guess what, me take up the people their money.
Mm-hmm.
If me then take them up.
You got.
Yeah, and then they will say, I chew a breeze blow me.
Make you say it gone. And now you eat it.
I don't know, me eat it. And me can't have you leave here.
Yes.
I'm going to eat it now.
No, yeah.
And that another thing said, she take it.
Yeah.
Took up all the people them back book land.
Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. You got a bad man and he don't me see me bad.
Yeah.
They go look on our house too. But you know them have money.
Yeah.
You know, we're sorry for them still, you know.
Yes.
But, you know. We ain't can put on that on Cherry in no time. Cherry still alive. Oh, but me know some here about somebody go along in front like
yes.
You go see me.
Why?
So I wish lady this. Where you come from, come in here so I walk so bossy. Yeah. Yes, sir. Then the help on the door. The help on the door.
Every
Government.
food will come, everything will come by this side. Very rare, me not telling no lie.
Only food out of station.
Rare. Yeah, we
Cook food.
I mean, not that food in but like
yeah.
A very rare one package people pass and tap your own.
They not have. Non-care package.
Yeah.
I did had a deal here. Oh my gosh. Why terrible? It's terrible. No, but I will not board here. Yes, me just fix it back there. But we go to work on it.
Yes.
So if God's spirit life next year and well I'm Terry come next year. So now come back. So if Teresa come back next year, they have so much strong to run because we don't know if I want to go down by then. You know? So that's what we have to do it, you know. Take a little. So because me not tell no lie, my house over top, me have no mind to finish it. When men just started me in the grove and me to America, me don't know nothing about it. Me come and me pass me and tell me nothing about it. People used to talk how they round at the house, they're nice. People used to pass there and they talk very nice and people talk there, they look funny. So me continue guys, I have some nice house in the area. Beautiful house. Yeah. Beautiful house. Wow. So I say take away by the house. It take you away completely. Take you put it down. But the good thing when they build one concrete piece behind. Guys, so I'm kinda safe. You know? Yeah man. And for my cousin-in-law house down here, so take off the roof, they have to use tarpaulin. Yes sir. I knew lick the tarpaulin. Yeah man. Can't go in a lane there yet. It's a tarpaulin house sir. I don't want to go someplace because you have some dog then terrible, you know. So I just have to turn back from here, so you know. Yeah. You know. The bike man them man. A little shop here so you move it. Yeah, music them up on top. I'll continue walk guys. Yeah man. This house down here so it mash up here. Whoa, look how you do that one there guys. Yeah man. A whole house still but you know people ain't living there. But it you know, go over there. You take it man. Melissa no play with it at all. You put it down. You know? Put it down. This a new zinc up on this, so I went to take off everything, guys, off of that one here. And then put on new zinc over there. You know? Yeah, man, and take off and put on new zinc over there. So I just saw you go all the light posts them and so tear down. Yeah, man. You have to just go on. People have to just go and try to recuperate, you know? Yeah. See all that one here? Somebody living it. It gone down, you know? Yeah, man. The roofing gone. The roofing gone off of that one or two, guys. From me, I look up at the house I did there. The house all it was a shop, one shop, guys. But somebody live at the back. You know? Yeah, man. So you still have some nice house, guys. So I may go over in the lane here, halfway, and turn back. Yeah, so I just show you what me now the community. Yeah, man, Wakefield. Yeah, person name Pantap, Wakefield, Pantap. Yeah, man. Person name Wakefield, Pantap, guys. But it's still Wakefield, you know. Walk and show. I show you. I can show you, you know. Yeah, man. So that's a thing going on. Some lose, some no lose. Yeah. Some lose and some no lose, guys. Yeah. I not put it on you, man. I not put it on you. I not put it on you and myself. May talk to you now. You turn to me. Alright. I just want to see some of my damage area them, you know, but I not put it on you. I not help nobody, my friend. Not help us all. Alright. You hear that? You hear some of them? But then staying up. Shine on camera over here because I don't want no help. I not put the camera upon them. But just look like on the damaged place them like this. Or we damage. You know. And if I want white somebody they pass and put the camera there. Then I say nothing, you know. No sir. But I not argue with nobody. And there's Nerissa up there. Yeah. Hey. What old guy? You grew up old heap. Lash. Boy, how Melissa treat you now? Mash up. So we no mash up and repair back, right? That's good. You kept some people away from the government, you know. When are they not there? All this a tree, I take off everything off the and broke it down and they start grow back again. The good thing is that the place start grow up back the green. So it don't look awful like how I see it on TV. That's what me hear man say terrible, man. Say terrible. My experience Gilbert. Ivan. You know? Yeah. It's roofless. Roofless, man. Me not go far, me I go right down and so and turn back. Maybe I go see Nancy down there. So the coffee sink them guys and do the house. The coffee sink them man. Fold them up. Melissa never joke. No joke. So I'm still in my community award guys. You know. Some people want to go on camera, I never problem with that. So that is the JP in the community house. Sadly, Melissa take off the complete roof. You know. But they will bounce back, how people bounce back, you know. Yeah man. People bounce back. Yeah. People bounce back man. That's how you go, you know. People are lit there and nail up back and you know, put things back together. Yes. So nice house around here. The house is gone guys. But they're gone down flat. Flat. Everything flat. So a lot of people lose their house for outboard house. Some people put on back their roof. You know. I just saw you go. Yeah. I just saw you go guys. Take down everything. Really want you. You're coming out in space, you know. I'm gonna show it. It's that trash, you know. So yeah. Hey. Yes, man. Rough man. Not normal.
You come later in 5
yeah.
Come later, you get some better footage.
Better footage, I'm sure.
Well, I'm around so when we don't underwater for days.
For days, I that me here. Yeah. Talk to myself, then Billy say I did me a video. Yeah. I'm not going to really shine like me come up here and me ask for you. So I can see your place in car, I go show me. I saw my video people and me like this. So I'm talking to myself, I won't talk video in the house. You myself nobody put you up on YouTube, I go sue them and you know look nothing. And look how you stand for somebody video to put up on YouTube. I say no, I know so you go. Go now.
Yeah, me I tell you say.
Yeah.
You have a cocoon me and bin. And he pick me them. And we they watch his storm, you know. So me I say, alright, you look like his storm don't pass me.
Yes.
Cause bin start cussing, you know say. Gilbert are the wickedest thing.
Yeah, I don't know, Melissa they come
no, Melissa, idiot. So I said, "Bin, shut up your mouth.
Yeah,
shut up your mouth. You know, this has time,
yeah,
mash up.
Yeah.
And when we look, you know, and me say, the breeze start rock the tree, them, so it rock them, so they go, they come and say, your feet, Bin, your bin. Why not me see, say, you're right, you win me. I say, all right. Dana, when me see the look, I see breeze the go so I see this house and I say breeze.
Yeah.
Me done.
No, me it up on me.
Done, you know.
Yeah.
Before the big one, the big part come out.
Big part come. It mash up in little part, mash up in that I tell it. That are the first beginning part.
Yeah.
The part where they go around. So you hear that guys?
Yo.
This man house mash up completely and drop a ground.
When
the ground they go video it still
and see cool down now we say we can
just
walk
come from around the still, you know.
Yeah, we say we can walk
everything a ground guys. Really my talking truth.
The place start on white and me here rolling like a dog up with the ball. Oh God, man.
I whistle.
See me just drop my hands so. Can't see, look how me black. And I'm white, me I see. Everything white.
Yeah, that guy.
Start to roll, man. Oh God, man.
Damn.
Earth tremble, man. I saw a big old concrete house, I mean, they vibrate.
Damn.
You see front door, that's a boom and bus. I have run 4 arm and 2 big nail and nail up it. I run out I back door, but boom, nail up again me and big.
So look on the manage it.
Yeah.
It just have a
We strong.
strong man. They live
I
for
big
now.
old container, yeah, they still container there for your family. Then.
Yeah.
For family.
Yeah.
So me see that in a year ago so.
The big container.
Big old fat container till you see drop it on the side. You say, alright, you hurt my shop. Yeah, man. Serious.
Yes, sir.
In my life, me
You experience it. Yeah, man.
experience
First in our life, you know. Every time there's a first, you know. Yeah. There's a first.
I try put up back frame wall 12 by 12.
Yeah, you can just go through the rubble and see what good.
Me
And what
pick up
can
some
line
already,
up. Yeah, me see where you
just
put
go.
back some one
Just
side.
go the bill. Just go pick me them a bill.
Okay, so you go get them there. Yeah. That's
Zinc
good.
and board and
Yeah, man, that's good. Yeah, man.
my bill wall out still don't come here, but it black. I have 1,500 black to get on.
Okay.
Cat just so, but you have to wait till the current come back. When
Okay.
the current come back,
Come back now.
then we can start.
Start
things
okay.
together.
Yeah, man. Everybody I go plan to build wall house
Yeah,
now.
man.
Because
Yeah, it's,
last year, Ivan come to St. Elizabeth and mash up Church Beach. Yeah. And yet them get another one. So a back to back them get.
Yeah.
Them get a back to back. St.
But last year,
Elizabeth.
if Ivan come this year, would alright. This a woman, you
I know Ivan went good on St.
Yeah.
Elizabeth. I wanted that one. Me them make
But
mistake.
this
I
a
know
woman,
Ivan.
he can everything. He can everything, but he cannot hammer. Kind of fix up back.
You know fix up back nothing, man. This a woman, yeah.
He cannot hammer, brother.
Melissa, they look for your husband. Smaddy have him.
I think a big husband, I feel same mother and they look for.
Hey man, well, Melissa want him, man. Somebody take away Melissa, man. Say, man, look for her.
Terrible, brother. Terrible.
Oh gosh, in the Ivan, when me flood out. When me flood out in the Ivan, man,
Yeah.
it's like, you know, because Gilbert, me not get anything. I mean, also in a command. And I hope you saw me went there until me go down back.
Yeah.
Ivan, I write so me did there. And other people I get stuff, and me the right so
Right.
I not get no.
Alright, this time what I see now, Dana, most of what you see out are no politics.
Okay.
I like Grace Company backside.
Well, yes, okay. They go by themselves and give it out.
Right.
Well, that's good.
Them no need to politics.
Why,
And you can't tell them,
yeah.
I'm not short of food, I'm not short of my house.
You going to shut your house right now.
I'm not short of
That's
food,
good,
man.
that's good.
I tell you the
Good.
truth.
Yeah. If me when they give out, I give certain people and some
Yeah.
people I say why me not give
Yeah.
everybody. You know, I give people
You
like
walk
you
come and
where your
say,
house
right,
gone
yeah.
and people are them,
Yeah.
you know, and that them people
Well,
I
I
give
deserve things.
deserve it, you
Yeah.
know, because not everybody
Yeah.
meet it, you know. Yeah. People that was working and not working again,
Man.
they are the ones that are supposed to get most of the help. You know? Yeah, man. So thank you for your talk.
So you
Yeah.
have to just live with it.
Yeah, man.
You know,
have to
for
just
nobody.
live with it, man. Yes, guys, we continue my journey. Battery and dead. So this is my place where me grow up, you know, as a child. Yeah. This was a shop and the shop roof gone. Somebody was living there. Yeah. So I don't know there. This one gone, guys. Yeah, man. The roof. But this a house I know. This built for a long time before me born the piece or so, guys. The front piece or so. And then my grandmother put on the piece. Not a zinc no lift. Not a zinc no lift, guys. Me I build a house over here, so still, you know. Yeah. And see this? The top to the roof. Gone, man. The roof gone. So this have to just pull down. So somebody zinc them, they're not good. You know. So that is it, guys. Some my childhood home. In my video here already I show you. Yeah, man. My childhood home this. I want next house round here, so. See it there? It's a house turnover. And they save it. The concrete house save it. The roof gone.
Just show you guys. Yeah. See the roof there? The roof gone. Yeah man. So this gone right here so too. We blow away. But then we build back. You know? People will build back. Yeah man. People take up the pieces and move on, you know? Cause so life go. What is it true? See two me against the main guys are the roadside. Every minute. So this be a breadfruit tree. This look like a breadfruit tree, guys. Yeah, one breadfruit tree. But the breadfruit tree can grow right there, so you have to go move it. Can go right there, so you have to move. It's a lime tree. And the mango tree, as usual. Can you go down the road? But hi. You not work today? Eh? You not work today? Okay. Yeah, may I walk good on so. That's my son, guys. To show you that they lean on the house. You're supposed to have this. Yeah, you're supposed to video this one. Yeah man, see how the house them stay there. The person that did have a nice house, so when it all gone, guys. And that the one room they lean on the house, so top gone, roof gone. Yeah. Them government house are no move, guys. Nothing move off of it because how they make no breeze can go underneath it. Our government make their house. One over here for roofing gone in a yard. Gone, cow and zinc. Gone. Not there so again, my house used to be right here. But they also done mash up long time. Clinic still stand firm. Still stand firm, guys. Can't shine the camera nice sometimes. But the clinic right so still stand firm. Can't really do the people place or no. That's kind of privacy. Morning. You're gonna have to come back. Hey. So guys, this is it. Some of them power line, you know, damaged bad, so no light is not here. You know, we are in the darkness. Who can buy a generator and generate some light? Them do it, you know. Who can? That's just it. Yeah. All this place mashed down, rooftop gone. You know. Yeah man, I know. True, them no power, no electricity is not here. We don't have no water in our pipeline, so our electricity push the water, you know. So this is some rubble again, guys. I think this was a shop or a house or something like that was there. Yeah. You know, all of this. All of them places, the rooftop gone all over this, but they come on wet. Can't go through them and have water boat. This is the Kingdom Hall, guys. Kingdom Hall. And there was a next house over the side here. Board house and the breakdown. So them have tarpaulin over the part. Yeah. And that was it. This the sunrise, this is so I can really show you all of this. So you know guys, just a grown and do a next little video. Catch up back on the one I'm doing a Wakefield. This is my community. Yeah, this is my community. So all way over there, so guys, you have way over that the section there. the mother want go, but the Joe water high. If they come and they cut, then we're gonna go over that the section there. Yeah, gonna go over that section there. So, alright. So over the section there, guys. They really want to go over the section there, but you know, over the mash up, man. Over the mash up. I could have grown there and could cross and come so. Let me call Sanjay. I say I can cut cross. Yeah. I cut cross so I see the liquor I can get. Go up a road. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hello. Sorry, this a pass I cut down again. A different pass would make ya? Hey. One pass in there. Oh, yeah, one pass good on this so. Okay. Me asleep. But they are fast and dream. They say me they are the fast for the people in place. The people in house. What tear down. Boy. Hey, look at video. Alrighty. So that's how I miss Pooksy house. A tear down. The whole roof gone. Nobody live in a Pooksy house. And Bloom house. Wow. Try catch up, you know, catch this can't zoom, guys. So, and you look on the water, Joe water on the grass, and the grass high. And I see shoes on me have on, guys. So I can't go through Joe water. You know. You can stay far and look. Oh, so they have a nice pass here, so. Here, so, but. See people are most damaged. You go up on the hilltop, guys. If any phone, I have more that show me. You say my phone can't do it. You say my phone can. Zoom up it. Zoom it up. I'm growing on this. Yes, sir. Look how you make that the one they look like a rubble. Because people have to just bitch up their house. You know? Yeah, man, people have to just bitch up their house. Go over there. Come on, catch your footage. Way up. I'm going to have to walk around this. Paint shop. Oh, so one fine pass, huh? So one fine pass. Two house up there, so guys, and they just crush up everything, you know. That's the morning. It's just crush everything. I say I can't get that footage there. See the guys? Yeah. House Spanny Hill. You just take down everything. One girl I know. For our house this, you know, take down everything and somebody up more up high top. One next house when they up high top, up there so. I had first me used to come down the one day, yeah, and then this one, they lost everything. So this is the nice lake they had here. And if they plant anything here, yeah. This is a nice lake that they had in Trelawny here. Yeah, man. See it, guys? See it big? It's a huge, 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 huge lake. See it, guys? So it big, and you have the Mushet High School up that end. You have some nice house around here, so man. You know, with the people place. You know, so one of mash up. So you're so nice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, they have one pass for some nice. Next to that pass, so you can walk. They have some big fish in there, guys, bigger than me, then call them telepon. Yeah, man. So the water is heavy. Still come up, go up there, so the water was. Yeah, man, the water rise from here, so go across the road, go around the other lane and flood out around there because water feed it from that end, from St. James Way, water feed the lake. Yeah, man, so it push it right across to around that side, and then it rise up here, you know, and flood out a lot of people. So this is the Great Western Favor Lake. Yeah, man, that's the name of it. Western Favor Lake. That's it. A lot of people remember the name, you know. So it's the original name, Western Favor Lake, because the whole entire property go round and go far ahead, guys. You don't know where I'm talking, but I'm just explaining. It was owned by a couple way back in the 18th century to the 19th century, and they said here was a cow pasture. The entire lake here was a cow pasture, and where they used to grind cane and all of that. Yeah, and water take it over overnight. Yeah, the water just come up overnight from the man. And alive who was there. You know, they said the building is still in the bottom because concrete don't go away. Yeah, it's still in the bottom there. So this is a dangerous lake, guys. It even had like caves, you know. It have underground caves. Yeah, it have caves underneath there because fishermen that can swim well, that explore the entire lake, they say they have a cave where some fresh nice water coming from. I don't know which end. I don't remember if it's that end or it's this end, but that's what I heard about it. So I'm just sharing with you that Western Favor Lake, it's on the map of Trelawney in Jamaica. Yes, guys, so this is it. The last time I came here I couldn't see it, but because of Hurricane Melissa, I can see it now, you know. Yeah, man. So this is it. So I'm going to take time, find my way back up, you know. Yeah, find my little way back up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, and this house that gone. I mean, if a kitchen area, but this one gone. All the rooftop is so gone, man. Wow. All the rooftop here is so gone. Anything what have zinc, guys, it take you away. Look. Nice house, guys. The roofing gone. Roofing take a walk. Ah. Melissa lick everybody. Who for stop not touch our no zinc? You know? We don't have zinc. I come inside of me now, smell me, come I love that. See, guys, mash up. Another concrete piece of save. All the structure in there is so gone. Hey, let's not play at all. Let's not play at all. See, Professor Man painting. This is the painter man for the day. That's you're painting, man. Wow. We done it then. Look also over this, guys. Melissa. Abolish it. Yeah. Now let me walk. See you. Yeah, man. Alright. So that's a pair rubber, guys. Watch it. Then get some nice board out it can build up back there. All I like poster, guys. Yeah, I like post break down all the wires. Yeah, man. So community center. Top gone. Come a little shop. Come a little shop top gone. Come a little shop top gone. Gone, man, the little business place I mashed down. Wow. You leave the bar there strong still. Come on this side, come see the lake again, you know. Because when you're walking on the roadside, you can see the lake. Yeah. Yeah, man. Can see the lake from here, so I think me hear them sun up here, so and catch fish. This is the side they come and catch fish, guys. Or they catch a lot of fish, so you can see the entire part of the entire hill go around, you know. It's a bird inside that they swim. Yeah, man. So this is the lake, you know, as I said before. Yeah, man. So I'm walking, guys. So it mess up here, so now I think this was a salon shop. I'm not know if I'm right, you know. This is a nice view of the lake going along. Yeah, man. So we're just walking, you know, on the road there. Alright, Tony. So I take down the building here too. Put it to rubber. Melissa go on with the thing, man. Melissa really go on with the thing. Look like it was a year salon. It's a year hunting around there. Yeah. So we just walk go up the road there. Up the square, yeah. You know. There was one place called Cottage. One time you couldn't see over there from here, so guys, got pure bush, you know. Melissa show you everywhere. You know, you can stay and look through some places that you never remember that exist. You know? Yeah, man. This try that house over there, so too. Yeah. Big mango tree there for many much years. Sometimes the mango them just drop because they can't climb to get mango. And people pick up their mango and eat it. That's how country life nice. Yeah, man. You get your thing, your real mango, real fruits in Jamaica. Yeah, man, you come a country, Jamaica, you get your real, yeah, man, you get your real food. Yeah, man, the real fruits and food. No manure and thing in there. You know, you shorten your days. Yeah, man, everything real. Yeah. I want a little house that over there, so. Here's that guy they went past or something. Take off the roof off there. Yeah, man. The fish party take off some zinc come put it, guys. Them big top zinc there. I think I found off at Trafalgar. You say, come off, come this, so guys. So I just saw it is. You know? And this is the church that I used to go when I was a child. This Baptist church. Yeah. And I heard it's only take off damage a little part there with the bellies. Yeah. Right at the front, that's where the light there. That's where the bellies are. Man, if I can't see, so I see the string. I get locked, I cannot go over there. So I'm going that part it damage. As a church, you know. Ah, whoa. Yeah. But Melissa did go on with himself, man. Oh, the place rough. See all the Reliance building, eh? The Reliance building, and mash it up. Yeah, man. Take off a whole lot of thing off there, you know. Yeah. My grandmother did join this church. So you see all them everything here. Come off, the top of Reliance, okay. The top of this come off, mash it up. It's a long time church, guys. Years upon years before me born. You know? Reliance Church. Yeah. Yeah, that little meat shop here. The Wakefield Crossing. The Top Gun. Yeah, man. And the Trafalgar building, the supermarket. You turn back the top. Yeah. Look at that station. This is where Reliance. Look. Church, look. It's a clock. This look from the 18th century, then clock here. Installed in Jamaica all over the country. I don't remember which country them come from and come here back in the 18th century. Yeah. So this is the meat shop, as I said, right? And that is the this is the Wakefield police station and the crossing. In my community, Wakefield, and here have a supermarket right here, so you know, you're kind of nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, you're kind of nice, you know. Yeah, man. So all them places up there so damage, and we have damage building down there so too. You know, we go right down there and turn back. Right then, so and turn back. Yeah, Melissa mash up a lot of places, guys. Not my easy. Some of the places in the mash up by Melissa. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go further. Turn back right after. I think we do on the side already, so. This is it. My peeps, this is it, my peeps. I'll show you enough of my community. Yeah, man. Damage just I used to Miss Henry house, one teacher. Teach me at Wakefield Primary. Miss Henry. She was so little and short. So she teach picnic good. You know, Miss Henry, man. Can't forget Miss Henry. Little and short. Yeah. But we can stay here so now again. And we are in Trelawney. I'm in Trelawney, guys, and we can stay here so I see St. James. All the mountains over St. James side, we can stay here so I see. Yeah, man, all over there, so way over there, the mountains are St. James. Yeah, man, the border. Yeah. So, guys, blessings are more blessings, guys. And if you reach our far in this video, I'm asking you to like, share, and subscribe. And bless up to all you guys. Yeah, man. Enough blessings. Love you guys so much. Enough respect. And I don't take anything for granted, guys. Alright, thank you for your support. Alright. Peace out, my blessings crew. Peace. See you in my next video.